Hi guys, and today I'm doing another voiceover because it never works, the microphone. So yeah, I'm doing a new series, and it's a building series, and I'm not sure what to call it. So yeah, so I'll put in the comments down below what I should call it. So yeah, because I'm not really sure. So yeah. And yeah, so on my underground houses world, I built something and I finally know how to get blocks. Because before I did a video and I literally couldn't get blocks because I was doing the wrong thing. And as you can see, I built a bridge. I don't know why, I just built it. So it took me only like 5 minutes. So yeah, I don't really have anything else to say. And then now I was just shooting random things in like a few seconds for some reason. So yeah, shoot the cow. Bing. What's in there? Bing. Ping. Ping. They're both dead. So yeah, I'm just gonna go into third person to end the video now. So yeah, third person. Oh, it didn't work. There we go. Now we're gonna end the video. So yeah, bye.